Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn on dark mode on Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on dark mode on Gmail, first open up your Gmail app on your phone. And after opening your Gmail app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us over here at the top left. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of panel will appear, guys, and over here we'll be required to scroll down to the bottom of the list where we can find the settings option available for us just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings, and when we land over here, tap on the general settings option available at the top of the screen. Tap on general settings, and this kind of interface will appear. Again, we'll be required to tap on the theme option available for us, which is at the top of the list. Tap on theme, and when this pop-up box appears, guys, you can see the option where it says dark and system default. And in order to turn on the dark mode, guys, we were on light mode previously. Tap on the dark mode over here, but if your system's default theme is on light mode, you can also choose your system's default. But in order to turn on the dark mode permanently on Gmail, tap on the dark mode like this, and then your dark mode on Gmail will be turned on. And guys, this is how to turn on dark mode on Gmail. And if you have any confusion or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.